The three topics I choose is values, relationships, and life expectations. Understanding the values of Generation Y is extremely important because value is the most significant factor to distinguish Generation X and Generation Y. What they act depends on what they think, what kind of relationship they have with others, what contribution they want to make in their career field, are all corresponding to their personal values. For another thing, nowadays a big part of people consider the moral standard and the individual values of Generation Y are not as good as Generation X, which I cannot agree on, so I want to find out more evidence to object this opinion. As I mentioned before, Generation Y's values will conduce to one's relationships and life expectations. Therefore, I choose these two resulting aspects to a deeper research as well. Actually, I would like to give out questionnaires of Generation Y both online and paper so that I can know more what other Generation Y think more directly instead of just depending on data from newspaper and magazines. However, the design question may be the biggest tackle in my project, so the progress is not as good as expected. But I think things will go better after time I get more familiar with this Generation Y issue. In addition, after having library workshop class, I have a better understanding on how to use database of UST's library. I make better use of the results from websites such as use I make use of the articles called Show Me the Money dividing up the Gen Y spending pool from economics and recalling with Chinese Gen Y from time. But now I'm a little confused about that whether I should put emphasis on the Chinese Generation Y or just talk about general worldwide Generation Y. You know, if I narrow the range generation-wise to Chinese region, the definition could be more specific and more clear. In summary, I haven't done such a project before, and I don't think I take it seriously enough until now. But since time is so limited now, and I promise I will do better in the next period.